Whales, dolphins and Vikings, all in one amazing adventure. It's an unusual yet a captivating combination. Let me welcome you on board the Ragnarok boat on Tenerife. This unique boat tour takes you on a journey where you will have the chance to spot majestic whales and playful dolphins in their natural habitat. But you'll also get a glimpse into the fascinating world of Vikings. As you cruise along the Tenerife coast, you'll feel like a true Viking explorer. This authentic Viking vessel set sail from Los Cristianos and can accommodate nearly 100 people. You can choose between the 2-hour or 3-hour trips. For the ultimate experience, we highly recommend the 3-hour trip, which is packed with drinks, a live show and some swimming time. There's a bar on board where you can enjoy free drinks. While food and snacks are not included, you can easily buy them on board. During the cruise, all the information on the boat is given in Spanish and in English. Get ready for a range of exciting activities and entertainment. The live show guarantees an interactive experience that will keep you engaged and create a super fun atmosphere. Plus, it's also a fantastic excursion for children. As you set sail on the Ragnarok boat, keep your eyes open for whales and dolphins swimming next to the boat, and then make a refreshing stop for a swim. Don't worry about packing snorkels or masks, they're provided on the boat. Do remember to pack your sunscreen, swimming gear, and of course a towel. Oh, and if you need them, don't forget your seasickness pills. Don't miss the opportunity to step back in time and discover the legend of the Vikings aboard the Ragnarok boat in Tenerife. It promises a thrilling combination of history, adventure, and natural beauty, making it an unforgettable journey. But hey, don't just take our word for it. Book your trip now on the tenerifechannel.com and become a Viking yourself.